Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we talked about constructor injection. In this video we will see what is setter injection. So as we know, whenever we create any project class, we tend to create some fields with that class. So and with those fields and once we have this field, so we have to initialize them. So either we can go for constructor or getters, setters. I mean, even not getters, setters are used for initialize the fields. So through these setter methods, Spring container initialize the fields. So in this annual class, we got only constructors which we're using for initializing the fields like name and age. And once it's come to printing them, their stuffs, we can go for toString method. Like it collectively prints all the stuffs from the annual class fields. Okay, that's for constructor. What if I need this setter injection? So for that we need to create a separate class that I'm going to do now. So right click on the package, new, and I'm going to pick a class. Let's say um, let's say mobile. Okay, or cell phone, whatever. Then creating some fields. So again, let's start with a simple one like int. Let's say price. Well, okay. Then I'll create some getter setters for that. So getter setters. Okay. Then this check and generate. So we have getter setters, and let's have toString as well. So will get printed. So again, I'm just keeping example simple. One with one field we will initialize, we will instantiate the class, then later initialize the fields through our action file. Okay, so we have this constructor file. Okay, let's create one more action file, and I'll just take this reference. So I'll right click on that, copy, then go for resources and paste right there, and I'll call this Spring Core with set injection. Okay, that's done. Here we are, and I will remove this whole stuff from there, so keeping it blank for us. So what we have now, we have a simple project class with one field of int type, getter setters and toString method. That's it. It's just a project class. Now we have to convert this project class to a bean class, and that we know already. So we use a bean, give IDs and a class, and here give a ID. I'm calling it mobile. For class field or attribute, I need to give the fully qualified name. So copy it this from the class, paste it, then dot, then call this mobile, and make sure it's a class name, so capital letter, and hold the control button, hover the mouse. Yeah, it's a hyperlink, so my path is correct. Okay, this is the instantiation of mobile, but I need to initialize the field as well, and this we have already done in previous example, just doing it again. So there's a tag property, use it, and it asks you the name. What's the name of your field? So name of my field is price, so I just copied that, going back, paste under here, and I need to give a value. So use a value attribute, and let's give it like say 1000 and tag close. That's it. We just instantiated the mobile class and initialized the value with 1000. Okay, let's get a tester for that, and I'll copy this constructor injection tester and convert it back to setter. I'll recommend type your own code. For just sake of my time, I'm writing and pasting up stuffs, but don't do that. Create your own classes and do the stuffs. Okay, here we are. So need to update the file name on this path. Done. Code format. So we are reading now configuration from setter injection, and then having the reference here. Then call get bean, but this time it will be mobile. Done. And need to change this whole stuff, so it goes to I need to change this whole thing on the left side. Mobile, mobile, and let's cast it. So mobile, and done. And then we can call mobile on it. So mobile will get printed. Okay, so let's see how it is working. So right click, run as application, and yep, we are getting the price. So that's how we perform setter injection. So in next video we will add like one more field, and accordingly we will change the configuration and we will see the impact. So thanks for tuning in this video guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.